Imagine meeting someone for the first time. They ask for your WhatsApp, but you don't want to share your personal phone number. Good news. WhatsApp now lets you create a unique username. People can contact you using your username instead of your phone number. But there's one important catch. If someone else claims the username you want, you won't be able to get it later. Now, instead of giving your phone number, you can simply share your username. It adds an extra layer of privacy. This is especially useful when chatting with new people, joining communities, or sharing your contact online. Your phone number stays more private, while people can still reach you on WhatsApp. Creating a username is quick and easy. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Tap Account. Then select Username. Choose a unique username that represents you. If it's available, save it, and you're done. Remember, every username must be unique. If the name you want is already taken, you'll need to choose a different one. That's why it's a good idea to create your favorite username as early as possible. WhatsApp usernames are a simple way to improve your privacy. Set yours today before someone else takes the name you want. Follow Everyday AI Guide for more simple AI and technology tips.